Hello, this is my scooter check, eller scooter check. I'm gonna show you my scooter. Yes, we start with the wheels. Let me hear that. Her MGP wheels. MGP. Very nice deck. Yes. And here we go to MGP logo. MGP. Yes, and we go down here. And this is the MGP grip tape. MGP. And this is the MGP brake. Very nice. And this is the MGP, the second wheels. MGP. And then we go here. And then we go to the headset. Here's the MGP headset. It's 3. Yes, very nice. We go up. Go up here, and here is the MGP bars. Here's the BAME bars. BAME. Very nice. Just very nice. Yes. And that was all from my scooter. Yes, please, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.